welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. We are doing the June 2021 Allure Box, so we're gonna dive right in here. I was alarmed when I first opened it of, oh shit, I smell coconut, but it's okay. It's coconut oil. So anyway, here's what our little booklet looks like. Summer Lovin', which is funny because Grease was just on. So anyway, it's that time when the days are long, the nights are warm, and my skin, honestly, it's looked better. The last year has done a number on complexions across the country, so we put the skincare in this month's box to the test on our most finicky editors. We found formulas that not only calmed and coddled, but also gave cheeks a pretty glow and made skin tones look more even. And for a little oomph, there's a beachy texturizing hair mist and the ultimate set of makeup brushes for perfectly blended eyeshadow, also perfectly concealed pimples. So I can spend less time auditing my complexion, more time hammocking my afternoons away. So the first thing in there is that brush set, which is in this cute little envelope by a brand called La Rouche. This is a 3-piece brush set and retails for $84 fucking for 3 brushes. What the hell? What the hell? Vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. I'm like, yeah, it looks rose gold, but that's just a sticker that's gonna be ripped as soon as I open this. Like, what? What? These makeup brushes are all about the finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. The flat concealer brush perfectly lays down pigment to disguise a pimple that just popped up. The squat, dense bristles on the short shadow brush are perfect for adding a bit of sparkle or vibrant shadow to the inner corners of the eyes. The last magic wand is also the fluffiest and most versatile, the angled shading brush. Not only can you sweep shadow all over your lids with it, but the velvety soft bristles also blend out the edges to give your look the dreamiest finish. All the brushes are manageably short bristles, so you are in complete control, even if you're not 100% sure what you're doing. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. I almost feel guilty ripping this open, knowing what they're worth, but like, what good is it to me if I don't open it, you know? Well, I was staying on the dotted line, but that lasted all of like 2 seconds, so yeah, well. Like, maybe with a letter opener I could do it, but fuck it. Don't care. They're not staying in this envelope anyway. So. Sorry, La Rouche. That was probably, like, the shittiest way of opening that ever. Okay. Thankfully, these are labeled what they are, because otherwise I never know what the shit brushes are. So, this is our angled shading brush, the fluffy one. I like these little punk studs on there. These are cute. I like that. I do like that. I've also got my short shadow brush. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. And then this is the concealer brush. So, always nice. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, so I'm gonna just set these aside somewhere for now. They can go there for the moment. Next up, we have got, is this one or 2 pages? That's 2. From Espa. A $34 product, although I don't think this is full-sized. This cannot be full-sized. The Espa Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. My skin has been extra blotchy lately and my regular moisturizer isn't calming the redness on my cheeks, forehead, and nose. So I was equal parts surprised and thrilled when this kaolin clay and coconut oil infused mask reduced the redness and made my skin noticeably brighter and smoother overall. The sweet floral scent was a relaxing perk. I wore it for about 10 minutes. I'm too antsy to go the full 20 that's recommended on the bottle. See, I'm the opposite. I go over, but that's just me. And loved how my skin felt tighter, but not dry after I rinsed. My skin tone still isn't totally even. That would take a miracle, but it is looking better. I like how, geez, dropping things left and right here. I do like how the cap looks like natural stone on there. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, I'll have to try that out sometime. That looks nice. Next, Let's see here. This can't be full size either, can it? How much is in here? You not going to tell me? Whatever. So it's apparently from a brand called Donginbi, $18.99 single essence. And it's $55 for 70 milliliters. And that sounds like this can't be the full size, can it? Like, this is nothing. 15 milliliters. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's not 70 milliliters. Okay. So I was like, there's no way that's full size. Matches my hair, though. Anyway. Of the many, many soothing treatments I've reached for to help heal the sensitivity I'm experiencing due to stress and insomnia, this has become my go-to. A K-Beauty favorite and Allure Beauty Best of Beauty Award winner, this essence made from anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract not only hydrates my tired skin, but coddles it when it needs soothing the most. I've been using it as a prep step, and my skin feels more hydrated with less noticeable redness. Sounds good. I'm not gonna splurge $55 for the full size, but I mean, sounds good for what we got to play with. This is also most definitely not full size. This is from Oribe, the Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax, and it retails for $42 for the full size. Styling my thick, coarse, curly hair can be a lot. I like to flat iron it and then shake things up, pun intended, with this ultrafine mist. It adds buildable texture to create beachy waves while preserving my straightened hairdo. Water-based texturizing sprays often undo my hour-long flat ironing. And this one has got hold. It's a wax in a spray form. So gone are the days of scooping out pomade and ending up with a spotted glob of gel somewhere on the back of my head. It tames flyaways, conditions, and did I mention it's humidity resistant? Summer weather stands no chance. Like, I'm not understanding how she's getting beachy waves out of it. But, again, I'll play with it another time. I have to go work a little bit, so. Next. From Skin & Co. I think this one is the full size. It retails for $35. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Truffle Therapy. I have sensitive skin that can become red or dry at the drop of a hat, so I rely on gentle cleansers like this creamy, moisturizing one from Skin & Co. It strengthens the skin's moisture barrier with essential fatty acids, and the second I pop open the lid, a sweet yet earthy scent with hints of almond oil transports me to the sunny Italian countryside where this brand's products are made. The cream lathers into a thick, slightly soapy consistency. It's rich, so I only use a pea-sized amount morning and night. I always take at least a full minute to lather it, paying extra attention to all my most oil-prone spots for a clean, hydrated, happy skin. Okay, that sounds fabulous. We got that. And then, I'm glad that I got this one. The other one that's on here, I've gotten before, so I knew I wasn't going to get that again. So, from Lapkos, I have the Tea Tree Sheet Mask. This is $4 for one. Using this mask weekly changes the game. It relaxes me after a long day and revitalizes my skin when it's dry or dull. I leave it on for 15 minutes, then I glow. And then that is all the products in here, but it comes with this little card. Let's see here. With tools of the trade. This has some tips for the brushes. Makeup artists agree. Good brushes are the key to great eye makeup. Here's how to use the set from LaRouche that's in this month's beauty box. Disguise dark circles. Prep your under eyes with moisturizing eye cream to prevent creases and create a smooth canvas. If you wear foundation, tap a little under your eyes for extra coverage. Grab the LR100 brush from your set. Its soft bristles and rounded shape are perfect for brushing on thin, buildable layers of concealer. Start around the inner corners of your eyes, where shadows tend to be the darkest, and blend out from there. Steer clear of crow's feet where concealer can settle and crease. If your under eyes are puffy, apply concealer on the shadows beneath your bags, but never on top of them, which exaggerates puffiness. If you want to make your concealer last longer, set it with translucent powder. shine bright. For the easiest and arguably sexiest summer eye makeup look, grab the angled LR 105 shadow brush and a metallic bronze or gold eyeshadow. Sweep the shade along your upper lash lines and use windshield wiper lash motions to blend it up and out. Pile on mascara and you've got a smoldering look in under 5 minutes. Fine tune. The LR 008 brush is the perfect size for applying highlight around your inner corners of your eyes and buffing eyeshadow into the lower lash line. You can also use it to cover blemishes with concealer, just make sure it's clean first. I'm gonna hang on to that just for those little tips because I was like, okay, some of those I probably hadn't thought of for these, so alright, that works for me. But anyway, yeah, that's what I got in the June box. I think it's a pretty solid box for the value, so anyways, that's what I got. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are you the most looking forward to me reviewing first out of these products? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything down in the comments. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya!